Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. I'm here today to do another beebeecraft unboxing. So I am super excited as usual, you know. That's just how it is. I hope you can hear me okay because I did some adjustments with my microphone and my hubby is sleeping in the next room, so I can't talk too loud. So let's hope this all works. But yeah, so I got this today, and I did open, as you can see, and now I just want to take it out. And of course, I never remember what I get until I get it, until I actually get it. But let's see here. Let's start with this. Oh yes, I got a stamp head. This, ooh, it's hard to open. This one is of the Nativity. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? Let's see here. I know my lighting is really bad. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Let me try. Let's see here. I'm trying. No, that just made it worse. Oh Lord, that just made it 10 times worse. Let me try the other light. Well, that just gives me more shadow. Okay, so let's just leave it like this. But anyway, I think you can hopefully see it. It's the nativity scene, so I love it. Can't wait to use it. If you've been with me, you know that I love the nativity and, you know, things that are related to Christmas for the real reason. Basically, yes, I do love, you know, all the other things like snowmen and snow and Santa Claus and Rudolph. I do that, you know, I grew up with them, but the real reason is Jesus, our Savior. So this is some memory wire that I got from them. Oh, look how it looks like a slinky dink. Look at this. It looks like a little slinky dink. So yep, we will see. Oh, okay, what happened here? I don't know why this is like this, but yeah, there's those smaller pieces there. Oh, I guess they're all going to keep coming out in small pieces. All right, well, we will see what we come up with. All right, so this is it's actually bracelet memory wire, and I'm trying to, because I do love doing all sorts of different crafts, and I want to try to get back into jewelry making, although not that I ever was a jewelry maker, but I want to try and make some jewelry for my you know, my pals, my friends and my family maybe. And look at these. I love these. Let me see them. Let me get them out. Let me get them out. Let's see here. 20 pieces. It brings 20 pieces. And I don't remember what they're called. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Look how pretty. Aren't they pretty? I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. It's really, really dark in here. Here, let me put these here. Let me move my stuff. Let me grab this and use my little pumpkin. Okay, look how pretty. I love them. I love all the colors. Okay, so we have that. And then, let's see what, oh, I think these are flowers. Let me double check. Yes, they are. Okay. They're, oh, okay, they have these little, they're hooked up in the middle. Like they're, all three of them are attached with a hook. And basically, I wasn't sure what they were going to look like, because you know how things look one way and they come out a different way. They kind of did look like this in the, I wonder if I put it in the plate if you could see it better. In the picture they did kind of look like this, because I figured I could use them in my journals because they were thin. Oh my gosh, this lighting is terrible. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying to push it so where you can see it better. So yeah, I don't know. I like them, but we'll see. And then this brings 25 pieces. and they're all the same. So it's 3 flowers attached. I had no idea they were going to be attached with a hook, or you know, whatever it is that they use, like a jump ring. But that's what they look like. So we will see. We will see. Let me just leave it there. And then let's see what else I got. Oh, okay, these beads. Woohoo! I love these pastel colors, and they are plastic. Yes, they're like plastic or acrylic. I'm not sure. Let's see here. There are a couple more colors in here. See, the purple one doesn't want to come out. How funny. Whoop, whoop. Okay, now it came running. It came running. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. I think these were 20 millimeters. I was going to say milligrams. Let's see here. Let's see if it says... Oh, no. Boy, was I wrong. It's 16 millimeters. And this one is... It says 12 by 14. So I don't know if it's 12 or 14. I don't know. But this one definitely says 16 millimeters. Okay. So, I don't know if I got any more. I can't remember. Oh, here's the, yeah, I can't even tell what this is. I mean, like, you know, the pictures are really fuzzy wuzzy. Fuzzy wuzzy. Oh, yes! This is, see if I remember the name. But they are some pliers to that help you in making rings and making loops. Okay, making loops in your jewelry, so it doesn't necessarily have to be a ring. They're very heavyweight, but they're comfortable. They are comfortable to hold, at least for now anyway. And I love that they're pink. Oh yes, 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 yes. I believe at the time that I got these, they were $17 and some odd cents. So we got those. Okay. Yeah, see, it doesn't say the name, but it is some type of, oh, it's a looping tool. That's what it's called. And then I got these end caps right there. They're just little metallic end caps. Doesn't say, but it does say 20 pieces. It doesn't say the millimeters. So these are basically, you stick them at the end, at the end or in the end of the wire. I don't know, by the looks of it, I may have gotten them too big, because the hole looks way bigger than this, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so you stick them on the ends to just basically finish off your project. And this is all I got from beebeecraft this time around, so stay tuned to see what I come up with, and wish me luck, because like I said, I'm not a jewelry maker. I've made charms and things in the past, a couple of rings maybe, but that's it. Mostly because my hands hurt so bad. But yeah, alright, so stay tuned everyone, and if you're interested in anything that you see here, make sure you check below for all of the links. You're going to have the link directly that takes you directly to beebeecraft, and you're going to have the link for each item here, and plus you will have my discount code, which is Shabby10, and that takes 10% off your whole order, your whole entire order. And thank you, beebeecraft, for sending me these lovely things. I can't wait to play with them, and I think that's it. So alright everyone, take care, bye, love you.